Anti-inflammatory. Contains compounds that may reduce inflammation in the body. 2. Immune boost. Vitamin C content contributes to a strengthened immune system. 3. Fresh breath. Natural chlorophyll content can help combat bad breath. 4. Diuretic effects. Supports kidney health and may assist in reducing water retention. 5. Antioxidant power. Protects cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. 6. Bone health. Provides vitamin K for bone strength and calcium regulation. 7. Detoxification. Aids the body's detox processes with its cleansing properties. 8. Culinary versatility. Adds flavor and nutrients to a wide range of dishes. Ingredients: parsley seeds. Drink 1 glass before bed